Nuclear apocalypse. A nuclear apocalypse is the destruction of civilization through large-scale nuclear war. The idea became real in the 20th century after the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki showed what atomic weapons could do. During the Cold War, the fear of global nuclear exchange shaped politics and daily life across the world. What makes this kind of apocalypse different is speed. Entire cities can vanish in minutes, followed by radiation, famine, and the long-term climate effects of nuclear winter. Pandemic apocalypse. A pandemic apocalypse happens when disease spreads so far and so fast that societies begin to collapse. History has seen glimpses of this in events like the Black Death and the COVID-19 pandemic, though civilization survived both. In its extreme form, a pandemic could wipe out large parts of the population, break supply chains, and overwhelm governments. What makes it frightening is that the threat is invisible, moving from person to person before anyone fully understands it. Climate apocalypse. A climate apocalypse is the collapse of human systems caused by environmental breakdown. Rising temperatures, stronger storms, flooding, drought, and failing crops can slowly push societies toward instability. Unlike sudden disasters, this kind of apocalypse unfolds over decades, making it harder to react to. Its danger lies in accumulation, where many smaller crises build into one global emergency. Asteroid apocalypse. An asteroid apocalypse begins with an impact from space powerful enough to change life on Earth. Scientists believe an asteroid caused the extinction of the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago in the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. The impact itself would destroy huge regions, but the larger danger comes afterward, when dust blocks sunlight and temperatures drop. It is one of the few apocalyptic scenarios with a clear prehistoric example. Zombie apocalypse. A zombie apocalypse is mostly fictional, but it remains one of the most popular versions in modern storytelling. It usually begins with infection, mutation, or some unexplained event that turns humans into mindless attackers. What makes it different is that the threat comes from society itself, from friends, neighbors, and family. Though unrealistic in its classic form, it often reflects real fears about disease, panic, and social collapse. Artificial intelligence apocalypse. An artificial intelligence apocalypse imagines machines becoming uncontrollable or acting against human interests. The idea grew as computers became more powerful and more independent in decision-making. Unlike other apocalyptic threats, this one is created by human invention. Its danger lies not in destruction alone, but in loss of control over systems that already run parts of modern life. Alien invasion apocalypse. An alien invasion apocalypse is based on the idea of advanced extraterrestrial life attacking Earth. It has been part of fiction for more than a century, especially since the War of the Worlds shaped the modern image of invasion from space. What makes it unique is the complete unknown. The enemy could have technology far beyond human understanding, changing the balance of survival instantly. Supervolcano apocalypse. A supervolcano apocalypse would begin with an eruption on a scale far beyond normal volcanic activity. Events like this have happened before in Earth's history, shaping climates and ecosystems. The immediate destruction would be massive, but the deeper threat would be ash in the atmosphere blocking sunlight and damaging agriculture worldwide. It is a natural disaster capable of affecting the entire planet. Solar apocalypse. A solar apocalypse comes from the sun itself, usually through extreme solar storms or radiation events. A powerful solar flare could destroy satellites, power grids, and communication systems across the globe. Unlike physical destruction, the danger here is technological collapse. Modern civilization depends heavily on electricity, and losing it on a global scale could quickly create chaos. Resource apocalypse. A resource apocalypse happens when critical resources like water, food, or fuel run out or become inaccessible. This kind of collapse is often slower and tied to population pressure, war, or environmental change. History has shown smaller versions of this in famines and collapsing empires. What makes it dangerous is that it turns survival into competition, often creating conflict between communities and nations. Biological apocalypse. A biological apocalypse involves engineered or mutated life forms escaping control. Unlike a natural pandemic, this threat comes from human science, whether by accident or design. It could involve enhanced viruses, aggressive bacteria, or altered organisms affecting ecosystems and people. Its fear comes from the idea that human progress itself could become the cause of disaster. Cosmic apocalypse. A cosmic apocalypse refers to larger universe-level threats, like gamma-ray bursts, black hole events, or unknown cosmic radiation. These are rare and mostly theoretical, but their scale is beyond human control. Unlike war or climate, there's no defense or preparation if such an event happens. It reminds us that some threats exist far beyond Earth, completely indifferent to life below.